Hi guys, are you ready to make and play a fun ice cream game? Me too. Let's get started. It's really easy. I'm gonna show you how. So take yellow marker. I'm gonna make an ice cream cone. I'm gonna show you how easy it is. Make a triangle. Like this. Okay. Now color. Made a triangle. Then take the brown marker and let's trace. Trace the triangle, and now we're gonna make lines. Down, 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 down. And again, down, 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 down. Here you go. We made an ice cream cone. And now I'm gonna show you what to do next. Let's take some glue, open it, and let's squeeze the glue. And glue the circle. Again, squeeze and glue the circle. Squeeze the glue, glue the circle. So once you attach circles to the clothespins, we can start putting our ice cream together. Ready? Let's put 1 scoop, 2, 3. Should we put more? 4, 5. More. 6, 7. Look guys, we made an ice cream. Let's go over the colors. Orange, light blue, red, yellow, green, blue, light green. Let's count how many scoops we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I hope you had fun. See you next time. Bye.